Hey guys, just a quick one for you today. Yesterday my Shift Concepts paddle extenders arrived. Now I've wanted these for a long time. My girlfriend actually got these for me for my birthday. She got herself a set for her Rally Art 2, which she's already installed. So as you can see, the stock paddles, they're a lot shorter. And my paddle over this side, can't really tell, but on the back the paint is like really sort of flaked and chipped and doesn't feel great when you're shifting, as well as when you're turning the wheel, say taking off from an intersection and you want to go into second gear. You turn the wheel, you kind of not struggle, but you got to fight to find the shifter sometimes. So I end up shifting with this first to second a lot. So I'm hoping that installing these will actually make it a lot easier with the size difference. So apparently the install is really easy. You just slide the bottom in and then push up and clip it in. So that's in. Actually feels really solid. Kind of thought at the top it might sort of, you feel a bit of wiggle, but no, it's really good. And the size difference is huge. So it's the bottom of it there, and the bottom of this one. So I'll pop the other one in. So just slide it onto the bottom, push up, and clip it in. So 20-second install basically, very easy. I'll put a link to these in the description. It's definitely something I always wanted, and it should make driving a big difference. And I'm really surprised at how solid they feel sort of all the way along. I thought in the middle they'd feel good, but at the top I thought it might have a little bit of a movement, but no, it feels really good. So I'm about to drive to work, so I'll be able to test them out. And yeah, I'll put the link if you want to buy some. I haven't used them yet, but I can definitely recommend them already just off the feel. So yeah, that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.